So hi guys, it's me again, Jam, and today we're going to discuss the CFO Guidance and Counseling Program, or the GCP seminar. But first, let us discuss the difference between GCP and CFO, because a lot of you have been asking me kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng GCP, if ibababa daw ito sa CFO seminar. So let's see. May mga times na ginagamit natin, instead of GCP seminar, ginagawa nating CFO seminar. Kasi dun tayo familiar. Pero they are actually different. When we say CFO, it is the Commission on Filipinos Overseas. This is the government agency responsible for preparing and protecting Filipinos who are migrating abroad. So katulad sa ating mga K1 and CR1. So ang GCP naman, it is the Guidance and Counseling Program. This is the mandatory seminar program conducted by the CFO for Filipinos who are leaving the Philippines as the spouse, fiancé, or partner of the foreign national, former Filipino citizen, or dual citizen. So now, alam na natin ang pinagkaiba. In simple terms, CFO is the government office or agency, while GCP is the seminar or the program offered by the CFO. So, if you're a Filipino spouse or fiancé or partner of a foreign national, former Filipino citizen, or dual citizen who plans to migrate abroad, attending the CFO Guidance and Counseling Program is mandatory. Alam ko na magtatanong kayo, Miss Jam, bakit naman required yung pag-attend ng GCP? Dati naman wala naman ganyan. Dahil nga, madami nang nangyari na may mga Filipino na pumunta abroad para magpakasal or para makasama ang kanilang mga husband na hindi naging maganda ang kanilang buhay sa Amerika or sa ibang bansa. So the GCP is a Philippine government program that aims to, number 1, protect Filipinos from human trafficking and mail order spouse schemes. Kasi 'di ba, napakadaming human trafficking dito sa ating bansa. So, dinadala abroad para maging slave or para ibenta. So, yun yung iniiwasan ng ating government. Pangalawa, prepare couples for the reality of marriage and life abroad. Kasi nga, hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari because of the language barrier, cultural differences, at marami pang iba na magiging pagbabago para sa atin. At pangatlo, discuss important topics like communication, cultural differences, finances, rights and responsibility overseas, support services, and building a healthy relationship. So, madami ka talagang matututunan kapag nag-attend ka ng GCP. Kaya, make sure na kapag umattend kayo, makinig kayo ng mabuti para maging aware din kayo ano yung mga possible red flags sa relationship nyo para maiwasan na mapahama ka kapag pumunta ka ng abroad. And para din ma-ready ka physically, mentally, spiritually, and lahat ng aspect ng ating life. Kasi for sure, once na nasa abroad ka na, hindi mo talaga make sure na magiging madali ang life mo dito. So, yun lang.